Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the map and selecting notes. This puts you straight into creation mode. Create a new note, give it a concise title, and write one-sentence context so you remember the purpose. Once done, attach a screenshot or photo to capture exact terrain, then pick a marker color so it stands out on the map. Make sure to save immediately. The note writes to your save file and becomes searchable by title and region. Now organize. Assign categories or simple emoji tags so you can filter later. You can place multiple pins in one area for ore, enemies, or puzzles, add coordinates or a short region name to speed retrieval. Once you have several notes, use the filter function to show only matching tags or marker colors so the map stays readable. This step prevents clutter and lets you plan routes or return to resources without researching. Finish by reviewing each note in its location. Fast travel or walk to a pin, then confirm the screenshot and description match what you expect. Link notes mentally into a route so you collect things efficiently. Chain waypoints in the order you'll visit them. If a note disappears or won't save, make sure autosave is enabled, free up device storage, and reload the last valid save. If problems persist, restart the game to force a fresh save write.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.